with my toes, catch it with my hands.
What's that? Oh. Uh-huh. No. You keep doing what you were doing. Show us your blocks.
Blocks, Nina!
Nina, show us your blocks.
Blocks, red blocks, yellow blocks, we don't pay attention blocks.
Nina, show us your blocks. What color is that? What color is that? Yellow? Ready?
Blast off!
Nina girl.
Nina! Yellow block!
Yellow.
Oh, what do you do with it? Yeah? Then what? You keep it. That's another yellow block. What do you do with that one? Oh. Oh, it's a block. Very good. You keep it, Nina.
You have exuberance, child.
You put it in there. How about a red one?
Look at that.
Good.
There's a red one, Daddy.
Red block. How about a blue block?
Uh-oh. You dropped that on purpose so you can pick it up.
Careful.
Oh, that's a workout. Ooh, big girl. You did it. Okay, Daddy wants a blue block. Can you give Daddy a blue block? Nina? Jibber jabber? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Okay, how about a blue one? Blue. Very good. Can you do red again? Oh, thank you. Oh, where's the yellow? Where's the yellow block? Oh, it's hard. Yeah, you got the yellow block. Okay, this is a long block video, so let's say bye-bye. Nina, bye-bye. Nina. Oh my goodness, we're so busy. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.